Thank you so much. Thank you, GovConnect, iLaws Media, and IBM for giving us this opportunity and bringing together all those who are working in the field of AI and in particularly in Lucknow. So like there are many questions which are already there in our minds, particularly as a bureaucrat, and I'm like, I'm Principal Secretary IT, so like we know that most of the people and most of our officers, now we know the basics of AI skill. But knowing just basic will not do any good. We have to move beyond that. We have to move from basic understanding of AI skill to how do we use AI in terms of like how do we improve government efficiency, how do we improve our public service delivery through AI. And that is the reason we are here, and my team is also here, and we want to understand more from you that how best AI can be used for improving our government efficiency and the reason why we are here, like improving the public service delivery. I will present in very brief where exactly we are in government of UP and what we are planning to do over next couple of years. Ram, is my presentation here? Yeah. So, you know, like I will start with this thing that our Honorable CM, he had announced that we will have, he launched UP AI mission with a 2,000 crore rupees budget outlay for over next 3-4 years. And already we have made a provision of 225 crore rupees for this year, 26-27. We also have a new emerging technology mission where we have made a provision of 100 crore rupees. So like we want to have something related to, because quantum is again like beyond AI, quantum, photonics, and there are other emerging technology also. So like we need to be the first mover and we need to leverage those potential to again to improve government working and government efficiency. So not only AI, we will also be coming up with our new and emerging technology mission. And in AI, particularly like what we are looking at is that not only we have to train our youth, our those who are going to the job market, they should be fully AI skilled, not only that, like they, so that they are industry ready. We also want to make sure that we have our own AI stack so that we are able to solve, like as Amit was telling that we should be able to solve some of those problems which we, as of now, we feel that the public service delivery can be immensely improved through those AI techniques. So, like in nutshell, where we are at present, we are almost like 90,000 crore of exports, software exports are being done through UP, and it is like we, in the national pie, we have a share of about 5%. We have 4 lakh plus technical workforce. We already have 644 megawatt committed data center capacity, and out of that about 150 megawatt is already functional. We have the 3rd largest startup ecosystem, and we have 76 functional incubator which are there in UP. In terms of what base we have made over last 7-8 years, we have invested heavily in infrastructure. We have one of the largest, like the latest airport which has come up, Jewar International Airport, and we know that we have to leverage the potential which will be thrown by this airport. We have many like top engineering colleges which are there in UP. We have 2 IITs, IIT Kanpur, IIT BHU is there. We have 2 triple IITs also. We have invested in 7 center of excellence through our state budget. And those are being managed by IIT Kanpur and IIT BHU, and some of them are also managed by IIM Lucknow, on particularly on blockchain. In AI, the next frontier, which I said that we already have made provision for AI mission. We want to quickly adopt this AI so that it help us in reaching to our $1 trillion figure, and which is our Honorable CM's mission, that we should be the first state to reach that $1 trillion figure. We have to scale up, certainly, like it has to be transformational, and we have to like come up with statewide AI initiatives. Next page, please. Next. Yeah. So I have spoken about our AI mission. We need to come up with, we need to like deploy high impact use cases. We are going to very soon, we are going to have our RFP floated. I guess within next 1 month, our RFP will be there, where we'll not only ask for having this AI stack, but we will also identify at least 5 to 6 problem statement, which we will like our first like service integrator to like solve, not only make AI stack for us, but also solve like give us solutions for these 5 to 6 high impact problems. And like we already have some of those things which we have in our policies. We are giving subsidized GPU access, and our new startup policy, we will be subsidizing for our startups some of the compute which they will be seeking from GPU or under AI mission. We'll be giving matching grant also for that, so that they can leverage those potential. We will have our AI sandbox. We are already working towards government of UP data stack. We certainly want to integrate this with AI Kosh, build our own, not LLM, at least a small language model. That is the first goal. At least have adopt 150, like this is our target, to 150 plus use cases. We will start, like first we will start with at least 5 to 10 problem statement. In a startup also, like we are going to have multiple, there will be multiple provisions to promote those startups. We are also coming up with a patient capital kind of thing, where we can invest like 10, 20 crore rupees also in a startup. And for the first time, we will also be asking for equity in those startups. When we are investing in such like large amount, we will also be making sure that we have certain equity in those startups. We want to make sure that our startup policy is also like, no way it should be inferior to any other startup policy which is there with any other state. We want to make sure that we provide all those advantage and all those opportunities to our startups to grow. And like we are already in the process of training our government officials, but we also like we have a Tech Yuva Samarthya scheme, where again we have made a provision of 100 crore rupees to make sure that our youths are AI skilled. So like there would be number of other programs which are already on offer, and they can have through this NEP, they can have this 3 or 4 credit course which are being offered by various like other partners on quantum or other AI things, which is not being offered right now in all our engineering colleges. But all our like those students who are studying in our degree college, they can be offered such programs through online medium, and we are here like government can subsidize the cost of those programs. Next. We have we are in the process of floating our first we have private business park model, and in next 15 days our RFP will be out, where we have identified 20 acres of land that is very that's in one of the prime location, Vrindavan Yojana, and we'll be like floating this RFP, where we are asking our the land will be equity from our side, and we are not like auctioning our land. We and the private developer, those who are already into such real estate like IT park developer, will be asking for them to, and the bid parameter will be sharing of rental. And apart from that, we have identified a 40-acre land which is there in Nadarganj. Like we will be again floating a EOI, and we want to make sure that we want to get proposals from those partners, be it TCS, SIFI, Adani, anyone, like what best use can be made of this 40-acre land. So these are these are a couple of things which are already there on the plate, and very soon RFP will be there. Next. I just want to again, we have through India AI mission, we will be having 3 new COEs which will be in place. We also plan to have at least 8 new COEs through our new startup policy. We are already we have in our state budget, we have provision of having 2 deep tech hub. One deep tech hub will be established in Noida, which is in sector 62 Noida, already IIT Kanpur has a COE there. and we will establish a deep tech hub in collaboration with IIT Kanpur in that particular area, like 62 Noida, and where we want to screen out and we want to give the space to our this startups who are working in deep tech area, and we also want to all whatever provision, whatever other ecosystem is needed for such deep tech startups, we want to make sure that they have all those facilities in that particular area. And we also, the second deep tech hub will be in Lucknow area, and we have identified Triple IT Lucknow. Again, Triple IT Lucknow, those who have visited Triple IT Lucknow, this is again at a very prime location, just next to HCL City. So we will have the second deep tech hub in Lucknow and in Triple IT campus, Triple IT Lucknow campus. So next. So these are some of the things which we are doing for under our AI mission and under our focus to how to make leverage the potential which is being given by AI. AI Pragya is again we are partnering with multiple organizations to make sure that all our youth or our be it farmer, those who are joining workforce, they are all AI trained, because say for example farmers, they also need to be trained. Unless they are trained, there are multiple AI solutions which are there in the public domain, but they won't be able to make use of those applications unless we train them fully. So this we are doing under AI Pragya, and I've also spoken about Tech Yuva Samartha scheme. We have made a provision of 100 crore to make sure that these youths and our citizens are fully AI trained and AI enabled to make use of those solutions which are there in the market. So in nutshell, this is the thing, and I will again urge all of you to partner with state government, partner with us, and very soon I was talking to Leena ma'am, PS, ACS, Women Welfare, that will be to identify those problem statement. We'll be again calling some of those stakeholders, departments, and we'll first identify those problems where AI can be best used to solve those things. So I guess there will be enough opportunity for you to partner with us, and we would certainly like to hear more from you. And I'm here for some time, but my team will certainly be there, and we'll keep meeting you again and again. Thank you so much.